This is a video chart presentation of EarthLink Inc. EarthLink trades on the NASDAQ exchange, our ticker ELNK. See, EarthLink had a pretty flat day in the last day of trading on Thursday before the holiday. But what caught my eye about this chart is this little uptrend off of the bottom over the last couple months, and the fact that it's sitting against a resistance point right around $3.79, as the chart's essentially been caught in a trading range now for several months, with the resistance there around $3.80, another one up here at $4. But if EarthLink's going to make a move off this big, let's call rounded bottom, there's potentially a nice upside, and it all starts with the idea of breaking through this first resistance. Now you can see the MACD has been steadily trending upward. Quite a long period going all the way back to February. MACD has been moving upward, holding a channel, and importantly is over top of zero in positive territory, which indicates this trend is trying to go bullish. MACD's passed through the signal line with a break here a couple weeks ago on this little move. All the more reason we want to pay attention to this and see if this trend is going to continue to gain strength. Slow stow over top of 50. See the 14 registering at 85. Tells me that there's some bullish momentum in this play, lending strength to the trend. Money flow index riding right around 50, but again, stock price has been caught in a bit of a range. Above 50 is the bullish side of things. That's where we want to see it. But at 55, I'd certainly like to see a little bit more distance in this value, push it up more near 80 to show people are paying higher prices for the stock. But right now, not in a bad position at all, and certainly not showing any great weakness. Relative strength index, also above 50. That's bull chart territory. Of course, we always want to see the bulls having control of the momentum, and it's in an okay spot for a breakout and a push to try and go through 70 into what momentum traders refer to as the power zone. Now real quickly, I just want to note these higher lows. That's actually the trend I'm going to be looking for. There is some static support right through that area of $3.30, but I want to see it continue to make the higher lows, hold that trend line, preferably hold over top this 50-day moving average, which right now is at 355. With stock price up on the upper half of the Bollinger Bands right now, over top of the 20 and 50-day moving averages, this is the point where we want to look for the breakout of this pattern and a move through this pretty clear resistance point at 379. Now, as I mentioned, there's certainly more at $4, but that's one of those I'll cross that bridge when I get to it type of points. Right now, I want to see it break through this first level of resistance and go up and challenge that $4 mark, because if it breaks through that, there's just not a lot of resistance in sight again until up here near this old high of 463 that was hit back in February, and then again this $5 mark, which was serving as a nice support at the ending part of 2013 coming into 2014. But I'd note this area first as a point of resistance. That's way down the road. It's adding almost $1 a share. As we always say, stay near-term focused. Look for support levels to continue to be held. Look for these moving averages start trying to get curled and moving upward, and see if some of these resistance points can fall. Volume is really not an issue with this play. Over 900,000 shares traded on Thursday. Generally speaking, there's plenty of liquidity, plenty of volume every day, so that's not something that we're too worried about. Of course, we'd like to see an increase in volume on any break of resistance to really lend to the idea of a strengthening trend and momentum. So those are the type of things that we'll be looking for in the EarthLink chart. But as always, it's merely my interpretation. I'm not a financial consultant. Strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the allpennystocks.com website to view the full disclaimer disclosure, and do not base any investment decisions upon any material found on the website and/or this video chart. No person employed by All Penny Stocks is a registered investment advisor or licensed broker-dealer. Thank you for watching. Trade smart.